Hello coders, today I will be showing you in Excel how to create Marksheet. So the condition for the following result set which is being shown to you guys is that if a student gets 35 in all of the subjects, that is Bengali, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, History and Geography, then his grade will be a pass. While if in any of these subjects his number is less than 35, then he would be considered, his grade would be considered as fail. Now to find out total, we can simply say that alt equal to, which is the shortcut key to auto sum, and press enter. So that's the total, which I have already discussed in my earlier Excel videos on how to find out the total. Now this grade can be calculated in several ways. One of the way can be, so Bengali, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, History, Geography. There are 7 subjects. We have to add 35 7 times, and then we have to write equal to if this total, this particular cell, if its value is greater than 35 added 7 times, then his grade will be fail. Here I will be doing it in a different approach. So we will be doing what is that we will be applying a formula if minimum out of this all this, if minimum in this range of cells, not total, if minimum in this range of cells, all of these cells is greater than or equal to 35, then he will be considered as pass, while if it is not the scenario, he will be considered as fail. Bracket close and press enter. So he is fail. Let's see why he is fail, because he has scored 23 in history. In a similar way, this second guy, Vipin Pandey, he has scored 24, so that's why he has failed. And for the third guy, Ashish Nag, he has scored 24, that's why he is failed. And for Vinod Chauhan is 23, that's why he has failed. Somalokhan and Rajesh Chalke are the two ones who have passed. Now we'll be applying another color formatting, that whenever a data will be inserted in this particular data table, fail will be in red while pass will be in green. How can we do that? So before applying any formula to this range of cell, we'll be applying some formatting. So we'll be going to the home tab, and under conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, we'll be saying that equal to. So if it's equal to if it's equal to pass, if the value is pass, then we won't be taking this suggested cell formatting. So we'll be taking custom format, and we'll be filling it up with red with the text of bold, and the color will be of maybe so red, so the color will be maybe of no, it's pass, so pass will be in green, and the font color will be in something like bold, and it will be in maybe a lighter shade of blue. Okay, fine. Again we will be applying some custom formatting. So this time the formatting will be on fail. So if it's equal to fail, if the color is fail, if the condition is fail, then we will be giving a custom format. So the fill color will be red, and the font will be bold, and the font will be in white, maybe a lighter shade of gray, maybe. Okay, now we'll be applying the formula. So what is the formula? The formula is equal to if, so if minimum, I mean if the minimum, the minimum criteria condition is out of all these subjects, if the minimum cell value or on all these cell ranges is greater than or equal to 35, then you will be considered as pass, otherwise you will be considered as fail, and press enter. So I will also be checking whether the this particular Excel sheet is working properly or not. So what I will be doing is that he has scored 23 in geography, so anyone maybe this one 35, so he has scored only 24. Okay, so make this 77 and press enter. So as soon as we are pressing 77, still it's fail because there is another 31, we'll be making it 55. So see, automatically the Excel sheet has updated itself. So that's a approach in which, so let me repeat one more time, we could have applied a condition in which equal to if this total cell, its value was greater than 35 added up 7 times. If it had been that condition, then it had been passed, otherwise fail. Here we have used a different approach where we are applying that if the minimum marks out of this cell range is greater than or equal to 35, it will be passed, or otherwise it will be a fail. So that's all for this short video tutorial on how to create grade report. Practice on your own. Drop some comment if you have understood what I was trying to achieve. Thank you guys and happy coding.